In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images with Google Bard. I'm starting here on the Google Gemini page, and the first thing we need to do is open up the main interface so we can access the image generation feature. Once everything loads, you'll see the prompt area at the bottom where you normally type your requests. Now I'm looking near the prompt box, and I'm selecting the create image option. This is what activates the image generation mode, so instead of just text responses, the system will now generate visuals based on your description. Once that's selected, we're ready to start building our image. Next, I'm clicking into the text bar where we type the prompt. This is where you describe the image you want to create. I'm typing in a detailed description now, and the more specific you are, the better the result usually comes out. You can include things like style, colors, objects, background, or even mood, depending on what you're trying to generate. Once the prompt is ready, I'm clicking send and letting the system process it. At this point, Google Gemini starts working on the image in the background, and it only takes a short moment before the result appears. Now we wait for the bot to reply, and as it finishes processing, the generated image shows up directly in the chat. You'll usually see it embedded in the response, so you can preview it right away without leaving the page. If the image isn't exactly what you had in mind, you don't need to start over. You can simply continue the conversation and ask for changes. I'm doing that now by requesting adjustments to specific parts of the image, like changing colors, adding objects, or modifying the style. The system will refine the image based on your new instructions, which makes it easy to iterate until you get the result you want. Once you're happy with the image, you can click on it to open a larger preview. This gives you a clearer view of all the details, especially if you want to check quality or make sure everything looks right. From there, I'm selecting the download icon, which lets me save the image directly to my computer. After clicking it, the file is saved locally, and you can use it however you need, whether it's for a project, presentation, or creative work. And that's it. You now know how to create images with Google Bard using Google Gemini. From writing a prompt to generating visuals, refining them through conversation, and downloading the final result.